Hi there, this is Ali. Let me show you how to install Avatarify on Windows. Let's first check the requirements. The main requirement is to have a GPU. This is because the neural network which runs under the hood requires lots of computing power, which GPUs can give us. And second, we need a CUDA-enabled GPU from NVIDIA. And this is because the library which runs neural networks, PyTorch, was optimized for CUDA-enabled GPUs. If you have something like GeForce GTX 1017, you can get 50 FPS, which is good for real-time experience. And of course, we would need a webcam. Any webcam would fit. Please also make sure that you have good lighting condition, because the better the lighting, the better the animation. Okay, let's start the installation. First, we have to download the latest version of NVIDIA driver. For that, we go and type NVIDIA driver. It's Russian. Mine is GeForce 10 series 1070 64-bit and search. It says download. I already have downloaded and installed the latest version, so I will just skip this step. Then we go and scroll down to Windows. Yep, video is coming. And start from installing Miniconda. Miniconda is a convenient way to install all the necessary Python libraries for Avatarify. Click on that. Select Windows Python 3.7 64-bit. It's downloading. Then we go back and install Git. Git is for fetching the source code. Same here, 64-bit. So we have downloaded Miniconda and Git. Press on Miniconda. Next, agree. Just me. This is okay. This is okay. And it installs. Go to Git. Yes. Next. It's alright. It's alright. That's it. Go back and press Windows button and type Miniconda. Miniconda. Here it is. Then what does it say? It says download and install Avatarify. Copy and paste these commands. First command, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. It's fetching the code. CD to Avatarify and run the installation script. So this would take a while, and I will be back when it's done. Okay, Avatarify is installed successfully, and we go back to the manual, and what it says download neural network weights. Okay, so here we have several links. Let's just pick Dropbox. these files are the same. Download, direct download. Okay, we have it. Then place vox something .tar in the Avatarify directory. Avatarify directory is where we cloned it. C users ali Avatarify. C users ali Avatarify. So we just copy that from downloads and paste here. And after that we have to run file called run windows.bat in miniconda. So type run windows.bat and there should appear two windows. Hi, that's me, or Einstein, or me. Anyway, what does it say? It says that we have two windows, cam and Avatarify. So cam is preview window and Avatarify is actually my avatar. And maybe you would need to edit this file called script settings underscore windows.bat. That may happen if you have several cameras. Say you have one virtual camera and one real camera. And your real camera may have cam ID different from 0. The 0 is the default value stored in the file called settings windows.bat. This is 0. It works for me because I have only one camera in the system. You may need to change this to 1 or 2, it depends on your system. Just try different numbers if you don't see your feed from your webcam in the preview window. I will leave 0. Just close and don't save. Okay, we have Avatarify running. Next, we don't close these windows and go and install OBS Studio and Virtual Cam plugin for it. OBS Studio is a way to capture the image of this window and stream it to Zoom, Skype or whatever. So let's go and install them. Click Windows, it's downloading, go to download. So when it's finished, we install OBS Studio. Next. This is okay. We uncheck the launch button. Then go and install the plugin. This path is okay, the same path as OBS Studio. Yes. Just one camera. Install. Okay. Finish. So, what's next? Run OBS Studio. Okay, OBS. So OBS Studio is running, and then we, in the sources section, press on Add button. This one. Then we select Windows Capture. Click OK. In the window list, select Avatarify. That's our Einstein. OK. Then it says we have to select Edit Transform Fit to Screen. Edit Transform Fit to Screen. Nice. Then Tools, Virtual Cam, Auto Start is already checked. And this value buffered frames should be 0. And then you click Start. So basically that's it. Avatarify is set up. And we can now start Zoom or Skype and select the webcam. I will start Zoom. Click on Settings, Video, and here our Einstein is. Look, here you have camera list, and if you open it, you see OBS camera, the virtual camera where we stream our avatar image, and Logitech camera, actually my web camera. So leave it like this, and now you can start your meeting. You see, this works like a charm. So let me also give you some tips to have better experience with Avatarify. Let's bring back our windows. You see, my face is not aligned, it's not in the center. Let's fix it. I lifted my camera a little bit, and now I want my face fill something like 70% of the screen. Like this. That's fine. Then you see the avatar's face diverge from mine, and I hit X button to recalibrate the position. Like this. And one thing to remember is when you calibrate your position hitting X, the software will remember that face expression and position and will drive your avatar according to it. Now we can try different avatars like Eminem, Steve Jobs, and the interesting case is Mona Lisa. You see, Mona Lisa's head is slightly turned, and when I look straight, Mona Lisa's head is slightly turned. And what if I turn my face, then press X? It calibrated the position, and then I look straight. And Mona also looks straight. The image quality is not perfect, but you get the point. Another cool feature I want to show is random faces. You press Q button and it fetches a random face generated by StyleGun from the site called This Person Doesn't Exist, and you can practice on this. Looks pretty well. Let's get another one. The avatar smiles, but when I calibrated the position, I didn't smile. What if I want the avatar to close its mouth? I start smiling, press X, and when I close my mouth, the avatar also closes her mouth. Kind of. So basically that's it. Thank you for your attention and have fun with Avatarify. Bye.